Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a crispy, spicy and delicious onion pakora recipe. Perfect for a rainy day or iftar. Let's get started. First take 1 cup of sliced onions in a bowl. 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin powder. Now add half teaspoon chat masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well so that the onion release moisture and absorb all the flavors. If you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tasty snacks. Now add 1 cup of gram flour or besan and 1/4 cup of rice flour for extra crispiness. Add fresh coriander leaves and mix well. Instead of water, you can add buttermilk or yogurt for a softer inside and extra tangy flavor. If needed, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to get the right consistency. Onions are not just for flavor, they are packed with antioxidants and can help boost immunity. So you are not just enjoying a snack, you are getting health benefits too. Now take small portions of the mixture and shape them lightly. Don't press too hard, keeping it uneven makes them extra crispy. Heat oil on medium heat and gently drop the pakoras into the oil. Always fry in medium heated oil. If the oil is too hot, the pakoras will turn brown outside but stay raw inside. Do you like your pakoras extra crispy or a little soft inside? Let me know in the comments. What is your favorite chutney with pakoras? Green chutney, ketchup or something else? Tell me below. If you love crispy pakoras, try adding a bit of rice flour like we did. It makes all the difference. Pakoras are perfect for monsoon evening. But did you know they are also a favorite iftar snack during Ramadan? Fry until they turn crispy and golden brown on all sides. Our crispy spicy onion pakora is ready. Serve it hot with green chutney, ketchup or a cup of tea. It's perfect for iftar or as an evening snack. I hope you love this easy and quick recipe. Try it at home and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video.